Everyone, to Global Markets Radio Daily Preview. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Well, so much for daily. It's been a while, but I think today's a watershed day. I think it was important to get this out today. Oh, baby. Looking at this dollar index right now, there's a daily chart. And again, we came in nicely. Euro popped up to about 133.25. Looking nice, bearish, engulfing, but of course, the future's rolling over. More worries about the European situation. And again, this bond yield move is significant. We'll get to that in a second, but that is a dollar negative event. When you get high yields like this, the U.S. dollar becomes more attractive. Riskier assets become less attractive. And certainly the sell-off in gold we've seen. But as far as the numbers that came out last night, certainly London's house price index down 0.1 was not good. French non-farm payrolls also very weak as well. And the MPC living rates pretty much unchanged. Bond buying program unchanged at $200 billion. It just looks like we're selling off, baby. And again, if this bond yield move continues to go higher, the dollar's going to strengthen. Commodity currencies, well, obviously Australia, what a freaking number. I'll tell you, we were short Aussie dollar going into that number, and it could have been a lot worse. Able to get out. And we're coming in. We've come in almost 40 pips from the highs, but obviously Aussie dollar still up on the day. Dollar yen still looks good. We'll take a look. So as far as the numbers that are coming out today out of the U.S., really not much. So we get unemployment claims supposed to be at 426. Remember, if this is a good number, we had job advertisements were at, what, 2-year high? So you get a good number, bond yields are going to explode to the moon. That should be dollar bullish. So you really want to watch this, the bond yields, the 10-year in particular, and dollar yen. Real long, looks like it wants to fly. So dollar index making a run, reversal to the upside. I think this is going to continue. I think dollar index looks like it's going higher. Certainly up to the 81 level. I mean, euro's cracking 132 pretty much. It did already, but it's going to crack it again. But looking like 81 easy. And again, nice uptrend channel, this dollar index. 79.10 held. Triple bottom. We're going up. Taking a look at the S&Ps on a daily chart. One of the things we said last night, if you listen to Global Markets Radio, you know, we were probably going to make a run up. And we did. We tried to push higher. I think we got up to like 1232. And certainly we could fail. And this daily chart, while still looking bullish, we are rolling over a little bit. There's a 30-minute chart starting to roll over. We tried to make that run to 1233. Again, if we're over 1235, you got to run like the wind because we're going up big. You got to run. You know, we're going up, even get long. We take this level out. But should we not take out this 1233 and look at this whole uptrend channel? I know it's only a 30-minute, but certainly losing steam. Rolling over. I think these futures are rolling over big time. I think we're down big today, maybe 10, 15 handles, easy. Maybe we make another run for 1233 and then reverse. But you look at this bond yield move. Come on. Oh, damn it. No, daily chart. We're collapsing. Bond prices are melting down. And again, that is a sign that you really want to get to the sidelines regarding stocks. Daily chart in gold, dead short. We popped up a little bit. Great spot to be short on that move last night. I think gold, I think you want to do a Fibonacci. I think the easiest level that we're going to get to. Damn it, it didn't work. Come on. 1340. That's another $44, baby. So certainly 1360, 1340. Should we break through there? 1325 is a big spot. Absolutely. And then you want to start, again, going to your Fibonacci on gold. And this whole run, you could even make a case from down here in November of 2009. And if we're really going to have a significant sell-off in gold, I mean, look what we're talking about. The first retracement's 1144. So let's get real here. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen now. That's another $250 in gold. I am a buyer on gold. I think gold's going to have a year-end rally, but we certainly have lots of levels, support levels, that we can hit, 1,300 being one of them. And again, like I said, that whole 1,340 level is a big spot. So gold looks to be very weak. And again, with bond yields going up like this, look out. Crude, nice reversal. There's a weekly chart. Tried to get up there and reversing. So crude, again, to me, looks like a dead short. Daily chart, that was a weekly. Looking toppy. As long as we don't close above 90, 91, crude should be a nice short. I'd say 85, Fibonacci it. 80 to 90, 90 and a half. We're looking like 85, 84.50. And that's it. And again, people, any questions about my premium service, feel free to email me, globalfxradio.com. Don't have that email set up yet. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Not looking very good. I'm long euro yen. I'm not very happy. I really thought the yen could have broken out to the downside, the yen to the downside, dollar yen to the upside, but no soup for us. But again, it's not over. Dollar yen is not over. I think being short euro dollar and long euro yen is a good play. This daily chart, again, we tried to break out to the upside. We had bullish engulfing, and we failed. Should we take out the lows from yesterday, look out below. We could really get some momentum to the downside. We could be talking about 131 easy. The tough one's going to be the Australian dollar. I'm so bearish on it, but that number was unbelievable. Double the estimate. What was it, like over 51,000? I mean, Jiminy Christmas. We got to go to Australia, people. They are just printing jobs over there. 54,600. And they revised previous month up 10,000. I mean, what's up with that? Holy crap. Wow. Big number. So, again, looking at this dollar yen, we bought the pullback last night. I'm bullish. I think this baby goes. Break it down to break it out. Oh, baby. And then we're talking about 86. Remember, this is when the Japanese first started intervening. Dollar yen got up to 86. I see no reason why we don't get up there. 200-day moving average also. Big spot. Pull back buy. Got to get long. And again, at some point, the other yen is going to follow suit. Sterling, we are short. Looks like a nice short here. Nice reversal. Got up to our levels where we're supposed to got short. Hopefully my premium people did. And rolling over. And again, remember, you can see my previous day recommendations every day on my website right in front of your face. And you can see my recommendations from the previous day. I usually post them around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So today's recommendations from last night at 5 o'clock will be posted around 2 o'clock. You can see those. But again, sell. We were looking to sell it. And I think cable rolls over. This chart doesn't look very good. 10, 20, 30 across the downside. We popped up to the over the 30 EMA. And now we're rolling over. Sterling looks very good to the downside. Dollar Swiss coming around the outside today. Again, the dollar. Dollar looks very good. Again, bond yields, should this jobless claims come in weaker. And everything adds up that it's going to come in better. Should we even break 400,000 today, which is a possibility, you could see the 10-year 350. Wow. So looking at this dollar Swiss, we take our previous day high. We are gone like the wind. Bought the pullback last night, looking very good. I'm out of the Australian dollar. I want to be shorted, but macroeconomically, even technically, this looks very good. And very hard to be short this one. Commodity currencies, Australian in particular, should be very strong. And it's going to feed into dollar Canada too. But again, you get a meltdown in gold today like I think it's going to happen. The other commodity currencies are definitely going to be weak. So dollar Canada, I'm long. I think it's going higher. New Zealand, same thing, selling a strength. And then New Zealand, again, certainly looks like we're going to hit 74. Big neckline there. We're looking head and shoulders, but it's there. And again, people, look for my email, December special. I'm offering it. Check it out. If you haven't received the email, email me info@globalfxradio.com. Free Friday to try my service. Send me an email, fill out a demo account, and you're in. info@globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton, the only voice you'll ever need, baby.